I'm in Bryce Canyon, Utah, the land of the hoodoos. 525 million years of geological history eroded away. The hoodoos. You do? The hoodoo? These hoodoos are basically formed by erosion. They have a monsoon season here. They have snow that hits these structures, sits on them, then melts during the change of the day, and then freezes at night, slowly erodes everything away. And these hoodoos last about 2 years until they go down into just sand dunes, basically, I guess. The little skinny necks of them erode away, eventually just leaving kind of a head until it can't support that head any longer, and then it all falls down and erodes away to sand. Cool. Hoodoo comes from the Indian name for scary, because they thought they were their ancestors that were turned to stone by the coyote gods. If you do the spring water and be in some kind of shape, you're gonna go up. But wow, what a view. And wear proper shoes. They have paths, but the terrain is rocky. In addition to the walking paths, they have horseback tours, and they have rangers spread out throughout the park to give you information and history about Bryce Canyon. Hope you have enjoyed this quick glimpse into Bryce Canyon. Subscribe, like, and I look forward to showing you something else.